Hey everyone! Are you sick and tired of those pesky black ants invading your home? You're not alone, and I've got the perfect guide to help you out. Welcome to How to Get Rid of Black Ants in Your House, the ultimate step-by-step strategy for winning the war against these unwelcome guests. Are you ready? Let's dive in. But first, what are the tools and materials you'll need to complete this task? For the full list and where to get them, check the description and pinned comment below. Now that you have all your tools and materials ready, let's get rid of those black-hearted ants. Get rid of it! Identify the source. First things first, you gotta find out where these little invaders are coming from. You see ants marching in line? That's them leaving a breadcrumb trail, only instead of breadcrumbs, it's pheromones. Where are they entering from? Could be a crack, a hole, a tiny gap, you name it. Ants are like master locksmiths, they can squeeze through the tiniest of spaces. Remove food sources. Now, step 2 is all about playing keep away with the food. What's that? A single crumb on the counter? To you, it's nothing, but to an ant, it's a feast. So let's get tidy. Wipe those counters down, seal your food tight, and keep the trash can sealed. Oh, and don't let water puddle up. These tiny explorers are always on the lookout for an oasis in your kitchen. Use natural deterrents. Don't fancy chemicals? No problem. Nature's got you covered. Spices like cinnamon and black pepper? They are like do not enter signs for ants. Sprinkle them around and watch the magic happen. Want more? Plant some herbs like mint, lavender, and rosemary. These plants are like the bouncers of the natural world, keeping those ants from crossing the line. Make a homemade ant trap. Fancy a bit of DIY? Let's make an ant trap. All you need is borax, sugar, and a bit of water. Mix it up, put it in a shallow container, and place it where these little trespassers hang out. It's like a sweet shop of doom for them. Use store-bought ant bait. Don't have time for DIY? Grab some ant bait traps from your local store. It's like a Trojan horse. The ants carry the bait back to their colony, and boom. It's a long game, though, so patience, my friend, patience. Use an insecticide spray. Still got ants? Time to bring out the big guns. Insecticide spray. It kills on contact and builds a barrier they can't cross. Remember, safety first, don't let kids or pets near it. Seal entry points. Now that we've dealt with the intruders, let's lock the doors. Seal any cracks or crevices you find. It's like closing all the secret passages in a spy movie. So, get that caulk and weather stripping ready and shut those tiny doors. Prevent future infestations. Finally, let's make sure those ants don't come back. Trim back any branches touching your house and lay down a barrier of diatomaceous earth. It's like a moat around a castle, but instead of water, it's a powdery substance that's lethal to ants. There you have it. A comprehensive guide on how to get rid of black ants in your house. With these steps, you'll be saying goodbye to those pesky ants in no time. Now, if you found this video helpful, do me a favor, hit that subscribe button, share the video, and drop a comment below. We'd love to hear your adventures. Stay pest-free, folks, and until next time, keep those ants marching out of your house. Catch you in the next one. Thank you for watching my video. I hope you liked it and found it useful. If so, please like, share, and comment to let me know what you thought. Your feedback is important to me. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel so that you don't miss any of my upcoming videos.